guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy SAFEMOON. Now, a lot of people have been wanting to buy this cryptocurrency, but you can't find it on exchanges right now. It is relatively new and it just came out in March of this year, 2021. So I'm going to tell you the easiest and quickest way to buy SAFEMOON. And you're going to start off with your Trust wallet. If you already have BNB in your wallet, then you are already ahead of the game. If not, you can simply go to Trust Wallet and you can go to buy and you can click on BNB like this and you can put in the amount of BNB you want to buy. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to exchange that BNB for SmartChain BNB. Now, I think you can possibly buy it inside Trust Wallet and it looks like you can. So if you don't have the BNB SmartChain, you can buy it in Trust Wallet. And what I had to do, because I didn't have any, I transferred it from KuCoin. And of course, you can transfer it from Binance.com or Binance UA. So once you have the BNB Smart Chain in your wallet, what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to where it says DApps. And then you're going to find where it says DeFi, and then it's going to show you Pancake Swap. And since I've already been here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Pancake Swap here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to find your BNB, which mine is here. It tells you the tokens you have in your wallet, and you're going to find your BNB here, and you're going to set the amount of BNB that you want to send. So you may want to send 1 BNB or 2 BNB, but obviously I don't have that in here because I already made my certain transaction. You're going to select the BNB, and then you're going to go down to 2. Oh, and the first thing we have to go to set your slippage to 11%. That's the only way the transaction is going to go through right away. I actually had to set mine to 12 because I kept trying over and over again and it wouldn't submit. So I set it to 12% and it says your transaction will revert if the prices changes unfavorably. So I ended up setting it to 12% and it finally went through. So we exit out there and you're going to go to 2 and you're going to select your currency. So I already have some SAFEMOON in my account. So it's not going to show up when you type in SAFEMOON. Mine shows up because I already have it there. So what you're going to do to make sure that you have the right one, you're going to go to CoinMarketCap and you're going to type in SAFEMOON. And then you're going to go down to contracts, Binance Smart Chain. You're going to click on copy. And then you're going to go back to the app, which is the wallet there. And then you're going to paste it in here. And it's going to show you SAFEMOON. Then you'll click on it. So you're going to send the max BNB that you have. And I have 0. Let's type it in. But say, for example, you would probably have 1 or 2 BNB in here. You're going to send the max. And then once again, you're going to click SAFEMOON. And then it's going to show you the amount of SAFEMOON that you will get for that BNB. And then you're going to simply click swap. I'm not going to click swap because I already have it. I've already done this transaction, but it's just as easy as that. And if you have your slippage at 11% and it doesn't go through because you keep on, it gives you some kind of, warning or so. And as you see with 0.06, it's telling me that I get, what is that, 876,000 or million. I get a lot of SAFEMOON for that price. So you're going to click swap and that is it. You're going to go back to your wallet and then you will scroll down. I'm not going to show you the amount that I have, but you will scroll down to the bottom past all of this. You're going to see your smart chain, the amount that you had in your smart chain, which I originally had $200. You're going to see that smart chain go down to nearly nothing. And then you're going to keep scrolling all the way down and you're going to see your SAFEMOON down there at the bottom. So that is really all, guys. Very simple. And if you have BNB and you want to swap it out for the BNB Smart Chain, all you have to do is click here where it says DEX and you will see BNB, swap to BNB Smart Chain. And it is very, very simple. So if I just do an example, I want to swap my BNB up here 0.49 to BNB Smart Chain. It doesn't really even charge a lot of money. So it's a very simple thing. And then you're going to go back to wallet and you'll see the BNB Smart Chain down there at the bottom. And that's when you will once again go to DApps. And on these DApps, they have Pancake Swap, Sushi Swap, They have Beefy Finance, Uniswap, so many ways to swap your money. And it's very easy when things go up and you want to get out really quick. You can swap it right in the Trust wallet. You don't have to worry about shuffling and trying to go over to your computer and struggling trying to cash out before things drop. So that is all a very simple tutorial on how to get SAFEMOON using the Trust wallet and using BNB. Thank you guys for listening. Have a great day.